Alrighty guys, quick change of plans. We're actually going to a car dealership right now to check out some cars because I'm gonna need a car because since we filed for bankruptcy, they're actually gonna take our car, so we need a new one. And I got a little bit of cash saved up, so I'm gonna go see if I can find one to replace the car.
That one's out. What else you got?
Damn guys, so the car we came to see isn't even starting right now. Let me show you. Dude hopped out and got the jumper cables.
Your license there? The best way to do it is just you flip through everything, sign it, and then if Dad wants to
pass it to him.
If Dad wants to, you go through and sign everything, sign, and then hand it to Dad, and he can sign and read if he wants to look at that stuff there.
Okay, perfect.
But yeah, we go to First Choice Barbecue. You ever heard of that?
No.
It's by far the best barbecue.
What's it called again?
First Choice. First Choice.
First Choice. First Choice.
Hold on, bro. Huh?
Fresh new car, 1999 Civic. Bought it in cash, $2,000. Got the keys. Oh yeah, we need to get gas.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, first car. Here we go. We got the Civic sign broke off. We got, I mean, it's looking pretty decent. We got some orange paint right there. The hood's a little messed up in the front. That's all right. And we got a sweet dent right there. Not bad for a first car, huh? Sweet, all gassed up and we're ready to roll. All right, let's go, Sarah. We're making it home.
All right.
Christopher, what do you think about the new car?
It's okay.
Yeah, definitely check it out. Hey guys, so I just went to Panda Express real quick just to get some food and celebrate. I was reflecting, I was having some thoughts. Why am I showing that this car didn't start when it was at the dealership? Why am I showing that it's a piece of trash? Because it's actually part of my philosophy of success. It's showing that I'm patient. I didn't spend every single dollar that I have on a vehicle. That makes no sense. I didn't finance a car. You know, I still have a couple thousand in the bank. I got a little over 2,000 in the bank. I got this car for $1,500. When you're first starting out, I'm doing it myself. Buy a car that you can afford, something, you know, couple thousand dollars that you can pay cash for and not worry about losing it. You know, have money in the bank. America's over like $1 trillion in car debt. It makes no sense to me whatsoever. It's just not a good investment. It makes you no money. It actually loses you money. And cars is where people get in trouble. Your car breaks down, but you still owe money on it. And then, it's just not a good idea. So it could lead to bankruptcies. Just lots of bad things could happen. So I'm gonna look back on this day and see that I was super patient. I made the right decision by buying the $1,500 car. It came out to $2,000 in cash at the end of the day. And when I have everything I ever wanted, you know, my Ferrari, my Lotus, this car is gonna make the story that much inspirational. It's gonna show the process, the full process. It wasn't overnight. I had to grind. I had to build up step by step, day by day. Nothing's gonna get handed to you. You gotta work for everything you got, and you gotta earn it. You just gotta earn it. You can only get what you deserve. So I'm gonna try and, you know, keep working my butt off, keep grinding, keep putting in the hours, learning, honing my craft, rewiring my brain so that I can build the habits, build the character, so I can go on and then be successful, make a bunch of money, be super happy, and have a wonderful family. That's pretty much all I want in life. And if I do that and I document where I started from in this car, I'm gonna be super happy. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna look back on this video after I achieve success. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit the like button on this video, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you for watching.